Alright, so let's see how to set up or how to use your whiteboard. So when you are at this interface, so click on the class that I want to teach. So let's assume I'm taking phonics class. So I'll click on phonics class here. So once I click on that, so it comes down here. So don't forget to turn off your camera since you're not set for that. Then click on start. So once click on start, so it comes down here. So now the first one to learn today is the use of whiteboard. So scroll down and look for your whiteboard. So click on the whiteboard here. You have two whiteboard, new whiteboard and existing whiteboard. So if you have any other whiteboard that you have done before or anything that you have used in the class before, you check the existing whiteboard. So it's going to display all what you have done here. So all these are my own whiteboard that I've used with my learners. As far as this class is concerned, I can say I'm having reading class here. So I'm having another class for my Arabic class here. I'm having uh, reading class, math class, and the likes of them. So I'm not using the existing whiteboard, so I'm using new whiteboard. So click on the new whiteboard. So you allow it to load. So once it loads, so still reading. So once it's loaded, so this is the interface of your whiteboard. So let's see how to use the menu one after the other. So when you click on this pencil light, you can see. So you can use this to write date. So today's date is the 26 12 2025. That's if you want to use your pen to write. Then if you want to change your pen light, this one is more thicker than so probably just to make it more thicker, depends on what you want. Then we have the eraser here. If you want to clean anything that you don't want anymore. Then here we have these three parts here. So these three parts here, so they are mainly to tell you the kind of sizes of or how thick you want the pen to be. So okay, when you click on this part now and you write, so it's more thicker. Click on the second one, you can see. So just the thickness of the line. So let me clean it off. Then when you click on this plus again, so it brings out all these menus there. There's one plus here. So you can use shape if you want to teach shapes here. So click on the shape here. So this is cycle. So this is cycle shape. So you can do then click and move. Then before I proceed, so let's quickly look at this part here. This up here. Look at this up here. You can see that. So that part tells this part. Let me come back here. This part here. This part. No, sorry. Yes, that part. So ensure you click on that place to see who is following you. Then, if someone is following you, you see someone is following you here. So, you see those that are following up with you. Then, you can disable participant can start activities. Disable it, otherwise, your learners will just start scribbling on the board. So, I only disable this and I disable this. So, I only leave this one on so that they can see where my cursors, when I'm moving, they see my movement on the board. So, disable the meeting participant so that your learners won't alter what is on the board. So just ensure that these two buttons are off. Then, after then, you can close. Oh, sorry. Let me go back. I don't need to click on the close. So let me go back again. Okay, now I've explained all this. So now if you want to change color, scroll down. You see color here. So you can choose any color you want. So if you want to indicate or to draw the attention to something, I can click on red here, then come back here, pick my pen. So I can use it to also write anything I want to write. Then you can use your hand to zoom in and to zoom out. And please ensure you ask your learners if you're using the board that can they see the board before you proceed. So to actually determine those that have seen the board. So it's very, very important you ask your learners if they've seen the board. Then we have the line here. If you want to use line to indicate some other things here. Then particularly if you don't want to type, so you can use the text here, text tool to type. So let me use my text tool properly. So I need to clean off, click on your pen to clean off all this. So I actually do not need all this. Then click on this shape. Then scroll down, you see delete here. So come back here, click on text. So today is Friday. So you can write today's date, Friday, 26th December 2025. Then this is today's date. Then you can make it more bigger. Just drag this part here. So I think that's okay. Then come back to your plus, click on text and write the topic that you want to teach. So the class here is, I think, phonics class. So I'm having my phonics class here. Then click, drag, then expand, place it like this. Then come back here again. So then click on your plus, then go to text. So maybe you are teaching them vowel sound. You just say vowel sound, vowel sound. So click here, then drag there. If you want to actually do just taking this as an example, anyways. So let me give a sound. You can see. So let me do this slant one. So this is a sound. So you can give numerous examples here. So just click on your text again. So let's say A for apple. So and the likes of them. So these are you teach using your interactive Zoom. And please don't forget to ensure that you disable these two buttons so that your learners will not tamper with what you are doing. Because if that place is on, so they will scribble and or some might even delete what is on the board. But once you disable that, so they don't have any access to that. So see you in next class. So this is brought to you by Edu Profit Accelerator program. So if you find this useful, please kindly subscribe to my channel for more updates on how to set up your classes. Thank you very much. God bless.